So we got in a little accident Tuesday morning, Wednesday night, Tuesday morning AM. I was driving down the highway, and as luck would have it, there was a wild hog in the middle of the road, pitch black, mind you. So knocked the shit out of it. Unfortunately, the hog did not survive. It was a pretty big one, and as luck would have it, my Honda Civic took the damage, of course. And here's the front bumper, which totally exploded. You see right here. Fucking completely tore the shit up. Completely fucked this shit up. All right. And here's the car. I did take the bumper off right now. I'm thinking it's just a condenser I'm having problems with. As you can see right here, fucked all this shit up. I mean, luckily I wasn't that far from home, so I was able to get home with no AC. But what I'm looking at is all this damage right here. Bent this shit. It was leaking coolant. Still is leaking coolant or antifreeze. See the little line right here? It's cracked. Completely fucked this shit up, dude. I'm assuming this is a condenser. That's the radiator right here. So probably gonna look at taking it to a shop today. Having to tow it over there. This is all dry rotted, so I'm gonna have to get new bumper brackets, get all this shit fixed. Original bumper, 2006. VIN number, OEM, as much OEM as I could get. It was like completely obliterated, or tore up, in other words. I have to go with aftermarket, obviously. Bumper bracket's still good. License plate bracket, my bad. It's totaled. I was able to outsource aftermarket, local shop, so I'm gonna do that. Back brackets, probably gonna buy them OEM from Honda. Just kind of like it's my daily driver. I've had it for about 4 years, going on 5 years. No major issues. AC compressor went out a few times. Replaced that. Had a head valve cover gasket or whatever. It was leaking oil. Replaced that. Also this little thing right here. I had to replace this with because I was leaking oil from there too. It was one owner car, so it's been a real good car so far. Drive this car every day. Drive it every day, dude. Car's okay condition, mint. Has like 250,000 miles, 200,050 miles or whatever. Of course, you got the CTS right here. I've been driving this thing. Of course, would you have it start raining like a motherfucker? But yeah. Also, I got a new phone, so I'm using an iPhone Air now. The camera kind of sucks. It doesn't really suck. It's just not as good as this one right here. My old phone, so just use it for content or whatever. Haven't uploaded in a while. It's been busy, life and all that. But yeah, just want to come on here, see where this goes. Yeah. Originally the car had hubcap wheels, and I bought a salvage title Civic from my neighbor for $500, and got some parts off of it, including these rims, which I like better, and I got new tires for them, so legit, way better. So yeah, the little car's badass. It just sucks. I mean, it had put me out of service. Fucking big old hog, dude. Tore that shit up, dude. Can you believe that? Completely, you can see the fucking completely tore that shit up. So I'm gonna get a new bumper possibly tomorrow, and I got a guy charge me like $150 to paint it. Get that taken care of. Just sucks. I might have to get some new headlights too. These are aftermarket, bought them off eBay, but they're already toast. And I got HIDs and I got LEDs right here. I might change these to LEDs as well, like a 6K LED. The car's solid, man. The AC runs good. AC blows good. Runs good for the mileage. It's just a daily driver. Beater bomb. This motherfucker right here guzzles gas like the motherfucker, as you know, seen in my previous videos. Guzzles gas. Local where I was getting my E85 from, the gas station closed down and had really good E85. Was able to find another one a little bit farther out, but has really good E85. That's pretty good about it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Bumpers right here all fucked up. Gonna update it as soon as I get more bumpers. Gonna start, uploading videos. A rebuild, I guess, like a rebuild process or something like that. You know what I mean? I was thinking about doing like an SI front end or something, but I'm just gonna keep it stock. I'm not gonna do anything too crazy about it. I really just want to get this car looking good. Paint's still good. It has its little defects here and there, but it still shines for being a 2006. Still shines pretty good, man. Still washes up pretty good. Looks good. It's clean inside. And I got in the fight with a wasp earlier. Had to kill it. But yeah, dude, that's what I'm going at right now. Little update. Been busy with work. So yeah, I also thought about lowering the car, giving like a little static band, but I was like, nah, the car is already low to the ground, and see what happened right here with this. Imagine if I was even lower, probably would have caused more damage. But yeah, so far, I'm pretty sure it's the condenser that's fucked. Hopefully the radiator's still good. Change out the condenser, and I know that for sure there's like a crack right here, little hairline crack. Yeah, I can see it right here. All that shit. And I'm pretty sure the motor mount's fucked up, but that's just wear and tear. Oh. But yeah, man, it really put me in a bad mood. I had a video where I recorded some footage, but I never uploaded it. I got these tires off eBay. Had a problem with it. Contacted the seller, sent me a brand new tire. And check the thread on. All right, not too bad. But all right, I guess I'll upload another video once I get the car up, get the diagnostics, get it checked out professionally, and see what's going on. But yeah, man, I'll check back with y'all soon.